What happens when something vastly smarter than the smartest person comes along in silicon form?
Because on the one hand, there's all of this potential.
You got to think about how what you do can complement rather than compete with these AI systems.
On the other hand, there's a huge number of unknowns that could turn out very badly for society.
It is going to eliminate a lot of current jobs, that's true. We can make much better ones.
Artificial intelligence's use and acceptance are expanding rapidly. Artificial intelligence is the capacity for a software or system to reason and pick up knowledge via experience. Over the last few years, AI applications have undergone a considerable evolution and are now used in practically every industry. Now let's see some of the unexpected artificial intelligence announcements. Number 1. Midjourney and Stable Diffusion Update. Over the past few months, there has been a dramatic surge in the availability of generative AI technologies. And in the world of picture generators, nothing is more evident. There are several options available, including paid and unpaid, open source and proprietary. However, if you've followed talks on AI-generated graphics, you've probably heard about the conflict between Midjourney and Stable Diffusion. Both AI picture generators are outstanding at what they do, but they have different customization options, aesthetic choices, usability, cost, and other aspects. Midjourney and Stable Diffusion are two of the newest artificial intelligence picture generators on the market right now, which is why you may have only recently heard of them. Both made their public debuts in the middle of 2022, but with quite different objectives. Well, the creators of Stable Diffusion made Midjourney available as a for-profit service. They also made Midjourney available as open-source software. Because of its openness, Stable Diffusion is one of the most adaptable and extensively used picture generators. Number 2. DeepMind's RoboCat Revolution. RoboCat is a new artificial intelligence AI model from Google DeepMind that can control numerous robotic limbs and carry out different tasks. RoboCat is the first agent that can manage multiple tasks and adjust to them across various real robots. It learns much faster than other cutting-edge models and can pick up new tasks with as little as 100 demos. RoboCat's training was built on a huge and diverse dataset of photos and motion captured from real and virtual robots. RoboCat was able to extrapolate from this data and pick up new skills even after the missions were finished. RoboCat's ability to learn quickly and adapt to new jobs could revolutionize robotics. Robots are typically made to perform a particular task, which makes learning additional tasks tough. RoboCat's ability to pick up new jobs after just a few demonstrations may lead to robots being more adaptive and versatile. It offers a wide range of potential applications and is likely to have a big impact on how we interact with robots in the future. RoboCat's ability to make robots more useful, efficient, and friendly could usher in a new era of robotics. Number 3. Amazon's Generative AI Strategy. AWS wants to give clients the tools and resources they need to create custom generative AI solutions that meet their unique demands. The technology environment has been transformed by generative AI, providing a wide range of opportunities for businesses operating in numerous industries. Organizations nowadays are actively investigating and locating possible applications for generative AI. The biggest cloud service provider in the world, AWS, is likewise making significant investments in generative AI. The goal of AWS's generative AI strategy is to give clients the tools and resources they need to create custom generative AI solutions that meet their unique demands. Mishra, who oversees the technical group of solution architects for AWS India, stated that AWS's objective is to put AI in every developer's hands. AWS mainly focuses on offering affordable hardware options that make generative AI jobs possible. Number 4. Dropbox's AI-powered Dash. With Dropbox Dash, all of your tools, content, and apps are connected in a single search bar using artificial intelligence. You can quickly find everything with integrations to popular platforms like Salesforce, Microsoft Outlook, Google Workspace, and more. You no longer have to waste time switching between applications to share material, attend meetings, or locate a deck that a teammate contributed. The more you use Dash, the more it learns, develops, and gets better, since it is powered by machine learning. Number 5. OpenAI's marketplace for AI models. According to reports, the organization that created the well-known platform ChatGPT plans to introduce a marketplace. The primary audience for this OpenAI platform will be businesses. According to a report by The Information, this marketplace would allow developers to sell the AI models they created using OpenAI's AI technology. The enterprise market intends to serve clients who frequently adapt OpenAI's ChatGPT technology for particular use cases like fraud detection or market research. Through the suggested marketplace for OpenAI, other companies might be able to access the models developed by these developers. Vin Vashishta, an AI advisor, believes that OpenAI's marketplace concept is the next phase in the generative AI gold rush, and even predicts that it will surpass Apple's App Store in popularity. Well, OpenAI CEO Sam Altman is focusing on democratizing AI rules and cybersecurity initiatives, and ChatGPT is still being widely adopted. Number 6. Meta's voice box breakthrough. Advances in generative AI are being made across the board in the production of content. In order to do tasks involving speech, tech titan Meta has now implemented generative AI models. The business has introduced VoiceBox, a fantastic tool for audio editing, sampling, and styling. VoiceBox is the kind of technology that can help content creators with a variety of activities, enable people to talk in any foreign language, and help the visually impaired understand textual information. The business asserts that it has made progress in generative AI for voice. VoiceBox can generate outputs from scratch and produce them in a number of ways. Number 7. Natural Language Processing, NLP. One of the most popular trends in AI and machine learning for 2023 is natural language processing. It is an AI technology that streamlines laborious language-based procedures. By applying algorithms to automatically analyze, alter, and output human language when it's captured, the technology eliminates the need for manual content entry. These days, organizations use NLP technologies for things like sentiment analysis, text extraction, and language translation. That's all for today. If you liked this video, please give us a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to receive notifications. Also, express your valuable thoughts in the comment section below. Until then, bye! Also, spend some time watching other videos on the channel.